Hi, my name is Meredith. I work with the Waste Reduction and Recycling Office, and we work closely with dining to reduce waste, recycle correctly, and keep our compost clean. This helps us move closer to our campus goal of 70% waste diversion and ultimately zero waste. Every day, dining halls generate recycling, landfill waste, and a large amount of compostable material. What you choose to do with those items matters. Sorting these materials correctly keeps valuable materials out of the landfill, saves the university money, and protects our planet. So NC State has a unique closed-loop composting system. When food is created at the dining halls, it's taken from the dining halls back to our compost facility, and then it is turned into a nutrient-rich soil amendment, which is given back to the agroecology farm, which then grows produce that end up back on the plates in the dining halls, thus closing the loop. Your work literally helps grow the food that we serve. That's the power of closing the loop. One of the most important things you can do is prevent contamination from getting into the compost stream. Compost can only contain all food waste, including meat and dairy products, paper towels and napkins, and all compostable cups and serviceware. So make sure that you're checking that it says compostable before you put it into the compost. These items cannot be composted. Gloves and hairnets, all cups, unless they say compostable, condiment cups and packets, rags, plastic containers, wax cardboard, plastic film, and bladders. Even small items like a glove or a piece of plastic film can cause problems at the facility. The compost facility staff remove contaminants by hand, but it's impossible to catch everything. If you ever notice that something non-compostable accidentally fell into the compost bin, just fix it. Remove it safely and place it into the landfill bin. Your quick action makes a huge difference. At NC State, you can recycle plastic tubs, jugs, bottles, and jars. You can also recycle cardboard, paper, and aluminum and steel cans. Just make sure everything is pretty clean. And remember, everything else is landfill. Cup lids, gloves, condiment cups, plastic clamshells, plastic film, and all other items that cannot be composted or recycled. It's important to follow our bagging and disposal best practices. To keep everything running smoothly, place compost material into green bags. Keep in mind, the weight of food adds up. Sometimes it even rips the compost bags. We recommend filling compost bags half full so bags don't rip or become too heavy. Then place green bags into the compost dumpsters. Recycling can be placed loose into the blue bins, and then the blue bins can be dumped into the blue recycle dumpsters. For recycling, open the clear bag and empty recyclables loose into the recycling dumpster. Recycling should never be bagged, and plastic film should never be placed in blue dumpsters. Throw the empty clear bag in the landfill dumpster. All black bags and wax cardboard can be placed into the gray landfill dumpsters. If you're unsure of where something goes, check the signage or ask us. We're here to help. Thank you for all you do to support NC State Dining and our 70% waste diversion goal.